and all data will be deleted. Format, enter. Formatting memory card. Hello everyone. Wanted to show you guys the initial setup for the Sony a6400. So I have 3 lenses that I bought for this camera, and they use E-mount. This is the camera body. And let me show you guys how to attach the lens and the battery and SD card. So let me show you guys the one that came with my kit lens, which is the Sony 18-135mm camera, or lens rather. It's the Sony E-mount. This is the shield that comes with it, to save your lens if it drops. This is how you take it out. You can also actually put it in like this to save space. Okay. So once you take off the cover, you're going to align the white dot right here, this one, with the dot on your lens. And once you've aligned it, you're going to simply turn it like that. When you hear the click sound, it is ready to go. So that's how you connect the lens to the Sony a6400. Now let's go ahead and put in the battery and SD card. The battery, this is the Sony battery that came with it. You can actually also use other third-party batteries. I actually have another one that's not made by Sony. So we're going to align this part to the top right there. So this is going to go in like this. And then this is the SD card. And that's going to go in like this. So that's the battery and SD card setup. Now let me show you guys how this is a viewfinder guard. You can actually have it on, or you can take it off if you are trying to use the screen. And I'll show you guys how to use that screen. So I like to keep it off because I like to use, if I'm doing blogging or vlogging rather, I like to turn the screen like this so I can have a good view without the obstruction of the viewfinder shield. That's how I do it. And then I can also take this out to give it even more of a good angle. So that's that. Let's go ahead and format the SD card. We'll turn it on. We'll go into menu. We're going to go into setup. Scroll down. Go to setup 5, which is the 5th page out of the 7 pages. And we will go to format right here at the bottom. And all data will be deleted. Format, enter. Formatting memory card. There you go, formatting has been completed. And that's how you do that. I'm going to go ahead and take the cover off for the camera. I'm going to switch it to aperture priority, which is what I like to use to shoot pictures. It gives me more control over the aperture, and that allows me to have a good background blur to pictures. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. There you go. That is it when it comes to setting up the camera initially. So that's the initial setup.